process of packing right now, and I'm going to show you everything that I pack, and not everything, but you know, just a rundown. Right here I have all my, not all of it, but I have my workout clothes, which is not that much. I'm not planning to work out or anything like that, maybe a hike here and there, but we do have a off the road type of situation going on. So this is one of my outfits. Right here I have all of my jewelry, and I have some of the claw clips, which I'm not bringing a lot. I basically gonna do either my hair down or, you know, in a little, like a bun. And my jewelry is pretty simple, nothing crazy, and I already showed you guys. If not, I'm gonna link a TikTok. All of my bathing suits, and I don't have a lot. I think I have like 3 sets of bathing suits, including cover-ups and stuff like that. This is the cover-up that I got from Goodwill a long time ago, probably like a month ago, and just pants cover-up and stuff like that. And I do have, and right here I have my 2 bags. I have my shoes, and then I have another White Fox cover-up that I showed you guys. We're gonna go out and eat a breakfast at the buffet downstairs, and yeah, so that's my outfit. And this is, I'm gonna be wearing this bag, and the little charm, I got it from like the ABC store right here. It's so cute. I was thinking of getting this one. I have all of my bags right here. I was thinking of getting using this one, but I think I'm gonna use it tomorrow. Good morning from Hawaii, day 3, full day over here, and it's about 7-8 o'clock ish. We're gonna go downstairs we're gonna just walk around to get food. And this is my outfit. This is from Sheen, I think. My jeans, and I'm gonna be wearing Converse because if I wear sandals and we walk a lot, my feet hurt, and yeah, it's not good. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be wearing. My bag with my little charm. I'm gonna be wearing these sunglasses, which they're giving a little bit of 2K, but I like it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be wearing today. to a dinner at a restaurant right here. These are linen pants. I do have nude shorts and my bag. I have everything here, my cameras, and this is from Shein as well. I just have my hair like actually this week. So I'm gonna be wearing this clutch that I got in this dress. So yeah, this dress I got it from like one of the random stores here, and this is my outfit. I'm gonna be wearing the same sandals. I got a little sunburn, but yeah.